guys, welcome to Preparation Center. This is Krishnika and now we are going to study current ka Karnama. So if you heard a news that why Irida bag Green Urja award is in the news. So let's discuss what was it and why is in the news, because it is important from the perspective of prelims for you. So recently, the Indian Renewable Energy Development Agencies Limited (IREDA) has been conferred with Green Urja Award. About IREDA, it is the only dedicated institution for financing renewable energies and energy efficiency projects in India. It is the under administrative control of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy MNRNE. Okay, so this is the few most important point, that it is under the administrative control of Ministry of New and Renewable Energies, and it is only dedicated institution for financing renewable energies and energy efficiency projects in India. Another point is, it has played a catalytic role in developing market for financing RE and EE projects. It is a mini Ratna Category 1 Government of India Enterprises. It is a public limited government company established as a non-banking financial institution in 1987. If you want, then you can note down this, because this is important from the perspective of prelims. It has been notified as a public financial institution under the Section 4A of the Companies Act 1956. You know what? Those sections that are in the current news na, please briefly read briefly about that. Every section, like section 4A and section 248 is in the news. I'll make video on this too, and you have to read briefly upon these sections, because these articles and sections are quite very important. Don't read whole articles. If you read, then it is good for you, but if you want to save your time and if you have no time, then in this condition you can also read briefly all type of articles that are in the current news. Okay, so it is registered as non-banking financial company NFBC with the Reserving Bank of India, it means RBI. So let's discuss objectives of IREDA: to give financial support to specific project and scheme for generating electricity or energy through new renewable source and conserving energy through energy efficiency, to maintain the position as the leading organization to provide efficient and effective financial and renewable energies and energy efficiency conservation projects, to increase the IREDA share in the renewable energy sector by way of innovative finance. Okay, so these are three important objectives. Let's move on the next point. Improvement in the efficiency of service provided to customer through constitutional improvement of systems, process and resources, to strive to be competitive institution through customer satisfaction. So these are few objective points about that. If you want to write down on your notes, you can do it. Next, why IREDA received Green Urja Award. So the Green Urja Award is given by Indian Chamber of Commerce. It means ICC. Okay, and it has been awarded for being the leading public institution in financing institution for renewable energies. It gets the award for the pivotal and developmental role it plays in Green Urja. Okay, so it gets the award for the pivotal and development role who play a developmental and pivotal roles in green energy financing. This award is given to them. The award recognizes its immense contribution in development of renewable energy sector in line with the Prime Minister vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Another point is, IREDA has ended the year 2020 and 21 ended on the strong note and disbursed the second highest amount of loan, which indicate that it has the ability to translate this problem into an opportunity. So here are some additional information for you, that what is ICC, Indian Chamber of Commerce. So it is the leading only national chamber of commerce founded in 1925. You can write down this particular line, because this is quite important. when was it was founded. Okay, it was set up by the group of pioneering industrialists led by Mr. G.D. Birla. It is considered as the first organized voice of indigenous Indian industry. So it is also important that it is first organized voice of indigenous Indian industry. It is the only chamber from India to win the first prize in World Chamber competition in Quebec, Canada. Okay, so it is also important that it win the first prize in World Chambers competition in Quebec, Canada. So here, that is the end of the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries or any question, you can write down on the comment section. And if you want to ask something, you can also write down in the comment section. If you want another type of videos or for more content, you can also write down and inform me. Thank you so much for watching.